Hey everybody, and welcome to this week's AVA Rigs, and I don't know what to do with my hands. So we're going to talk about a pretty unique build. I mean, all these builds are unique in their own way. I've said that tons of times. How many times? A lot. But I'm going to call this system, because of the obvious, I'm going to call it the Zebra build. And I mean, to be honest, this system feels like it's going to be the real king of the jungle. Now, the reasons for why it might be the real king of the jungle is pretty obvious. Whoever built this system really had the theme in mind. I mean, they committed to this. I mean, they committed to the commitment of all commitments. Being that it's black and white, you have a lot of neat accents in it, and I'll get into that a little bit more, but just to give you an idea of the specifications, at the heart of the PC, we have the 8700K unlocked Intel processor. We have a GTX 1080 Ti by Gigabyte, which is white themed for obvious reasons. We also have 3200 megahertz memory by Corsair, LED lit, so you can also pair that with the Corsair LL 120, 140 fans that you see outfitted in the case. Also, you'll notice something a little bit different in this system that you don't see in most, and that is the cooler. This cooler is manufactured by Deepcool, and it is a 360 millimeter radiator that we mounted right up front in a push-pull configuration for goodness of cooling. Performance. Well, now that I'm done being creepy, let's talk a little bit more about that liquid cooler, which Deepcool is not a huge branded name in the liquid cooling industry, as you know, but they're doing one thing right, and that's they're doing a different design compared to what Corsair and Cooler Master and NZXT's Kraken series and even some of the other liquid cooling manufacturers do, and that's just look at my block, look at my logo, look at my lights. That catches your eye, and that's important, especially to us PC enthusiasts, that you do something different, because everybody is starting to follow their own trend in design, and so when everybody kind of follows suit with that, you just tend to gloss over it when you're looking. And even though the board may not look like it matches the rest of the configuration, it kind of does, because the case has black accents as well, so it blends in real nicely. It allows the white accents to pop in the case, and that's why I think this system is probably one of our more neater design systems at the end of the day. And if you don't like it, well, that's too bad. So that about does it for this week's AVA Rigs video. Do make sure that you like the video and also subscribe to future YouTube posts. We're also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so you can do all your little social media things there too if you like our videos, and there will be more. See you next week.